You sing happy birthday to Ori?
Happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday to Ori. Mommy, here's your cake.
Oh, how old are you?
5.
Really?
Uh-huh.
You are beautiful, huh?
Uh-huh.
Ooh, what are you doing? Mom?
I never don't see rats, Georgie. That's because they keep gone.
Jess, I can't see you. Whoa, are you over there?
Hi.
Hi. Beth. Oh, I love your hat. Looks much cuter before Grandma got in front of it, though.
Go back to the table. Jessica, Nicole.
I can't see you, girl. Bethany.
A.
Say something about Easter.
Easter,
Keep singing. Say something about Easter.
Bethany, look at me.
Tell Easter Bunny what you want for Easter.
Bunny,
I'm not gonna play.
I want bunny Easter bunny. I want like
Beth, look at me.
something like a doggy.
What?
A doggy to play with.
You can't bring presents like that.
A real doggy.
Jessica,
What?
is it red enough, or do you want it?
I want more
You
red.
want to leave it in there for a little bit longer?
Yeah.
Put some more eggs off in there, y'all. Get some eggs and stick them off in there. Don't splash.
Stick them off in there.
Mine is in there.
Get another one.
Where's mine?
Don't splash.
Give me a minute.
Thank
Put off in the
God.
yellow, orange. Put some off in the green. Put one off in the green. Watch your hands, Jess. You are getting rid of
All gone.
Oh,
Put it in the yellow, Andy.
two.
Don't get your sleeve in it. And give me this.
Ashley, if you don't...
Food color. It's hard to get out of clothes. Understand.
And anything else.
And anything else it touches, it's hard to get out. Keep your hands off.
Mommy, I want mine now.
It's not dark green enough.
I want mine now. Mine is like here. Mine
Pass
is
it out, Lisa.
Okay, take
Her
it.
egg.
I didn't do anything.
You just hit the delete
Bit.
button.
I know that.
And when you did that, that's probably what happened one time
Don't,
when you
Jeff.
lost part of it. Oh, yeah. It's a
I
matter of
want to
fact.
play with this.
Yeah,
I want to
you just
see.
say,
Look at play
Just
with
get down. Just look over there.
Me first. No, I want to see the me first.
You can't.
Me.
no, Jessica asked first. When she
Jessica,
first came in.
Jessica, it's your turn. Okay.
Hold on. You gotta figure out what to get into.
And then it's my turn. It's right there. Uh-huh. Dude. After her turn, after her, it's mine.
Yeah.
After Jesse, my turn. After me.
Beth,
After Michael. After
Bethany.
Stephanie. After Michael. After you. It's right there. You know that. I don't want to be after Michael. You had to, Bethany. Not after Bethany.
There's your butter.
Oops.
Where? Oh.
Lisa.
I'm trying to get out the way.
Trying to get out where?
Karen?
Cody, look at me. Cody, look at Grandma. Cody, look at Grandma.
Cody, look at Grandma. Show Grandma head.
Stay over there.
Is this good?
No.
No.
Can you suck on a Cheeto?
No.
No. He wants
Cody.
because I tried to give him a Cheeto and he wouldn't suck it.
Bethany. Look at me.
He's having an
Now we
international
were.
taste. What? I think he's having an international taste. Me either.
Some of them can have macaroni and cheese.
But he said the macaroni and cheese was no good.
Did you even look at this, Gracie?
No, I haven't had a chance. I can't get over to it.
Bethany, tell her what it is. Bethany, did you give Victor your letter that you typed?
Cast him, I think, and he's taken up names, and he's given them names, and God honors that names,